Have you ever dreamed of packing up your life and hitting the road for 5 whole months, experiencing diverse cultures, cuisines, and adventures? Well, grab your suitcase and hold on to your passport, because we're about to embark on the ultimate video to traveling for 5 months like a seasoned globetrotter. Planning an extended journey isn't just about booking flights and finding accommodations. It's about mastering the art of packing light and managing a budget that won't make your wallet cry. Number 5. Packing like a pro. Less is more. Packing for a 5-month adventure can feel like you're trying to fit your entire life into a suitcase. But here's the secret. Less is more. The goal isn't to bring everything you think you might need, but rather to pack efficiently while keeping your essentials in check. Start by selecting versatile clothing items that can serve multiple purposes. A lightweight, quick-drying pair of pants can go from a strenuous hike in the mountains to a casual dinner at a local restaurant with ease. The magic lies in versatility. Opt for neutral colors. Think black, navy, beige because they mix and match effortlessly, allowing you to create a variety of outfits without overloading your bag. Investing in travel-specific clothing made from moisture-wicking, wrinkle-resistant materials is a game-changer. These fabrics not only save you space but also make packing more practical, especially in places where weather conditions can vary from day to night. They're built for comfort, meaning you can wear them longer without feeling gross or looking like you've been living out of your backpack. And let's talk about that compact travel-sized laundry kit. It's an absolute lifesaver. Not only does it save you money on laundromats, but it also means you can reduce the number of clothes you carry. The beauty of this is that it lightens your load, giving you more freedom to explore without the burden of an overstuffed suitcase. And let's face it, traveling with less stuff is liberating. You're not dragging a pile of clothes through cobbled streets or lugging heavy baggage up endless stairs. Instead, you're free to dive into new experiences without the extra weight. Number 4. Budgeting like a boss. Travel doesn't have to break the bank. The idea of traveling for months without breaking the bank may sound like a fantasy, but trust me, it's entirely possible with the right strategy. The first step is choosing your destinations wisely. Southeast Asia is a prime example. Rich in culture, stunning landscapes, and incredibly budget-friendly. Countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and Indonesia offer a lifestyle that's affordable on a backpacker's budget, with costs that are a fraction of what you pay in Western countries. And that's not all. Destination matters not just for affordability, but for the experiences you'll gain along the way. Accommodation is often the largest chunk of your travel budget, but that's where the beauty of staying in hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals comes in. Many hostels and guest houses offer long-term stays at discounted rates, meaning you can stay in one spot for a few weeks or even months, which saves you from constantly searching for new accommodations. But if you're really looking to stretch that budget, house sitting is the goldmine you didn't know existed. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect you with people who need someone to look after their homes and pets in exchange for free accommodation. It's a win-win. You get a place to stay for free, and the homeowners get peace of mind knowing their pets and homes are in good hands. When it comes to food, eating like a local not only saves you money, but also offers a more authentic experience. Street food, often cheap and bursting with flavor, provides a unique window into a culture's culinary soul. You're not just eating for sustenance. You're tasting the heart of the city. And let's not forget the joy of cooking your own meals. It can be a fun way to experience local ingredients and sharpen your culinary skills while keeping your expenses low. As for transportation, forget expensive taxis and ride shares. Public transportation systems around the world are often reliable and cost-efficient. In cities like Tokyo, buses and trains are the lifeblood of daily travel, and they're remarkably affordable. If you're in a less developed area, don't underestimate the power of walking or renting a bicycle, both of which allow you to soak in the scenery at a leisurely pace. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to explore. Number 3. Health and safety. Because adventures are better when you're healthy. Let's be honest, there's nothing glamorous about being sick on the road. That's why staying healthy is one of the most important aspects of long-term travel. Before you set off, make sure you consult with a travel health specialist to get the necessary vaccinations and medications tailored to the countries you're visiting. These could include shots for diseases like malaria, yellow fever, or typhoid, depending on your destination. Your health is an investment, and being proactive can save you from nasty surprises down the road. Equally important is having travel insurance. It's one of those things you might hope you never need. But when the unexpected happens, whether it's a medical emergency, flight cancellations, or lost luggage, you'll be glad you have it. A good travel insurance policy provides peace of mind and helps protect you against the financial burden of unforeseen events. Make sure your policy covers medical emergencies, evacuation, and trip interruptions. But keeping your body in good shape isn't just about preventing illness. It's about staying active while on the road. After all, you're not just traveling to be a passive observer. You're here to dive into the culture and experience everything. Activities like hiking through the Swiss Alps or yoga classes in Bali offer both fitness and cultural immersion. Staying physically active on the road enhances your overall travel experience and provides the perfect balance to all that lounging by the beach. Plus, it's a great way to meet fellow travelers and locals who share your love for adventure. Being healthy while traveling isn't just about preventing sickness. It's about feeling energized and ready to take on each new day. Whether you're biking through Paris or practicing Tai Chi in the morning, staying fit will ensure that you're ready for whatever your journey throws at you. And when you're not feeling your best, you'll have the stamina to bounce back quickly, ensuring you'd never miss out on an adventure. Number 2. Cultural etiquette. Respecting the places you visit. Being culturally aware enhances your travel experience and fosters positive interactions with locals. Before visiting a new country, take time to learn about its customs, traditions, and social norms. This knowledge demonstrates respect and enriches your understanding of the culture. Learning basic phrases in the local language can significantly improve your interactions and show appreciation for the local community. Simple greetings, thank yous, and polite expressions can go a long way in building rapport with locals. Dress modestly and appropriately, especially when visiting religious sites or rural areas. Observing local dress codes shows respect for cultural norms and helps you blend in, reducing the likelihood of unwanted attention. Understanding and respecting local customs regarding tipping, bargaining, and social interactions can enhance your experience and prevent misunderstandings. Always approach cultural differences with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Number 1. Staying connected. Because who doesn't love sharing their adventures? In today's digital age, staying connected is essential for sharing your journey and accessing information. Purchasing a local SIM card upon arrival in a new country can provide affordable data and calling options, making it easier to navigate. Stay in touch with fellow travelers and share your experiences on social media. Utilize messaging apps and social media platforms to connect with locals and other travelers. These tools can provide real-time information on events, recommendations, and opportunities to meet new people. Consider starting a travel blog or vlog to document your adventures. Not only does this serve as a personal journal, but it also allows you to share your experiences with friends, family, and a broader audience. Reflecting on your journey through writing or video can also enhance your understanding and appreciation of your travels. Ready to pack your bags and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips, stories, and inspiration. And don't forget to check out our other videos. Safe travels, fellow explorers.